After weeks of steady teasing, Nothing has now officially confirmed that it will unveil the Phone 4a and the Phone 4a Pro on March 5th. The timing is particularly interesting because Nothing's event will take place just a day after Apple hosts its special experience showcase on March 4th, where we expect the fruit company to unveil the iPhone 17e. Nothing CEO Carl Pei shared the playful invite on X that visually riffs on Apple's signature minimalist event artwork but replaces the subtle aesthetic with bold pink graffiti-style text that swaps in the March 5th date while stamping Nothing's branding front and center, delivering a lighthearted yet unmistakably deliberate statement. At the same time, Nothing's official channels confirmed that the Phone 4a series will launch globally, including India, on the very same day. And although the company is still keeping full specifications under wraps for now, a growing number of leaks and early benchmark appearances have already begun outlining what users should expect from the upcoming devices. The lineup will include both a standard Phone 4a and a more premium Phone 4a Pro, with both models said to feature fast UFS 3.1 storage and slightly larger batteries compared to their predecessors. The regular Phone 4a recently surfaced on Geekbench, pointing to the presence of a Snapdragon 7S Gen 4 chipset under the hood, while both phones are expected to launch with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage as their baseline configuration. Where the two devices differs further is in their color options, as the standard Phone 4a is expected to arrive in classic black and white finishes, whereas the Pro variant could replace the white option with a more premium silver tone. Carl Pei has also indicated that the Phone 4a series will move closer to flagship territory, not by aggressively chasing raw specifications, but through more meaningful improvements in materials, display quality, camera refinement, and overall build, with the broader strategy focused on polishing the user experience and maturing the design rather than simply boosting numbers on a spec sheet. In addition to the new smartphones, Nothing has confirmed it will also introduce the Nothing Headphone A, positioned as a more affordable successor to last year's Headphone 1. That said, do consider subscribing to the channel for daily tech updates, and I'll see you guys on the next one.